Right here with my boys, Connor and Blake.
Yes, sir.
They're filming everything today. I got my hands full. We're trying to run two cars. We're gonna run the Moonshine truck. We're also gonna run Magic Johnson. So you already know I'll be running around like crazy all day long.
2 seats, 1 ass.
2 seats, 1 ass. You already know. Yeah. All right, stay tuned. Here we go.
Buenos dias. Come on now.
Look at them go. All right, folks. We drew first pair. We got my boy Jonathan Willis over here. Blue Fox Body Mustang against Magic Johnson. Big Magic, man. The Magic Man coming to get some. Look, my boy Jonathan Willis, he's already ready. Probably thinking, Jimmy, get your ass in the damn car, boy. My boy Jonathan Willis. Jonathan, tell me what you got.
It's a little 6.0 LS Mustang.
6.0 LS. Looks like a regular race car, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck, bro.
Be safe.
Yeah, you too. All right, folks, we got ourselves a first round win. I don't know what happened to Jonathan. This car normally works pretty good out here, but we're starting on a virgin surface. And this is by far the worst surface I think any of us have ever raced on. So it's going to be a challenge all day. Magic did a pretty good job, started wandering around on the big end down there. I had to start driving her a little bit, but you know, my boy Jeff Thomas got the long travels on this Johnson right here. So I had the front end up in the air. It stayed planted as good as it's going to stay planted on a virgin surface. Let's see who we get. Hey, first pair down. Man, felt good. Got the hippie-jeebies, boy, a little shaky. Alright, we got double duty. I'm driving Moonshine today also, so we're coming up. I think we're 17th pair. We got one of the 820 Performance Camaros. It should be a good lick. This is our first lick on 28s. So I probably got my hands full, but we'll see how it goes. Not what we wanted, obviously. I let go of the button. It felt like it hooked for a second, and then it just zung the tire off, just zinged it right off there. So trying to figure out this power management with a big block and a lot of power is real difficult. So figuring it out. All right, at this point, I'm tired of doing these damn voiceovers, and I'm getting frustrated doing this shit. My buddy Fred came over. He cooked barbecue, got an Airbnb. We had the best weekend of our lives. There, done. I'm done doing these damn voiceover bullshit. Alright, we got our ass busted today. First round drew Jonathan Willis, and I think we went 730, something like that. And then second round, I got it way too hot, and I think I went a 730 again, even though it should have been going a high 6, which still wouldn't have been competitive. But hey, going home sunny side up, that's a good thing. Congrats to Hayden, who won the whole thing. I think he took home $9 grand, so that's awesome. I was talking shit to him at the beginning of the day, said, man, you're gonna get fucked up by a nitrous card. That backfired. I jinxed myself and helped him out maybe in a way. Good for him though. Him and all those guys worked really hard, so yeah, that's all I got. Here's our first lick, 731 with a 193 60 foot. Here's our fastest lick, 177 to the 60 and a 680. And look at these dudes, wildin'.
Why did you win? Why did you win? Why did you win?
Y'all make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I think that's how it goes.